Hey guys, this is Okita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the newly launched Myglamm Luscious Matte Mini Lipstick Kit. Basically this is a set of 6 mini lipsticks and it comes in 2 different variants. And guys, this one is the Effortless Nudes and this is the Runway Bolds. And guys, it retails for $6.99, but there is an offer on Myglamm app and Myglamm website where you can get each lip kit only for 99 rupees. And guys, in that case you have to pay 98 rupees as delivery charge along with 99 rupees this kit. But if you shop for 299 rupees then you can get it only for 99 rupees. So yeah, this is all about the offer. Now in this video I'm going to talk about these lip kits and also gonna show you the shades. So let's start the video, but if you're watching it for the first time then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so they can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, that is how the kit looks like, and each kit contains 6 different shades. It retails for $6.99 where you're gonna get 1.2 grams of each shades. It is a vegan, parabens free, cruelty free product, and it is available on Myglamm website and Myglamm app. So guys, now it's a swatch time and I'm going to show you the shades. So let's jump into the swatches. So guys, that is all about the swatches. Now if we talk about the formula, well guys, it is very comfortable on the lips, and as it has jojoba oil and vitamin E with it, it is a very hydrating and nourishing, although it gives you kind of very soft matte look. And if we talk about the pigmentations, well guys, these are quite pigmented. You just get full opacity in a single stroke. And yes, shades are pretty good in case of both the set. But guys, I think the shade number 11 from the Effortless Nude and the shade number 22 from the Runway Bold is quite similar. Except these 2 shades, rest of the shades are pretty good. uh, these are also good, these are really beautiful, but yes, those are quite similar. So yes, this is the thing, and definitely you can try them if you can get it for 99 rupees only. Otherwise, a 6.99, it's a little expensive, although you can get 6 shades. And guys, on my lips it stay 5 to 6 hours nicely, and after having my food it come off, and guys, it transfers a lot, like that much. And yeah, this is it about these lipsticks. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.